Hey, have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately?
Yes, I have. I watched a great movie last night. It was a thriller.
Oh, I love thrillers. What was it called?
It's called Gone Girl. It has a 90% rating on Rotten Tomatoes.
Wow, that's impressive. I'll have to check it out. What other types of movies do you like?
I also enjoy comedies and dramas. Have you seen The Queen's Gambit on Netflix? It's a great drama series.
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's about a young girl who becomes a chess prodigy in the 1960s. It has a 97% rating on Rotten Tomatoes.
That sounds interesting. I'll add it to my watch list. Do you think it's important to watch good movies and TV shows?
Absolutely. Good movies and TV shows can be a great source of entertainment, but they can also educate us, inspire us, and broaden our perspectives.
That's a great point. I'll definitely be more mindful of the movies and TV shows I watch from now on.
It's always good to be selective and watch things that add value to our lives.